Yo, what's going on? I used to do these kind of videos on Facebook where I would just kind of debrief my day after I was working and just process things out loud on Facebook. What's up, gang? And so I thought, why not do it again today? So a couple things. Just got back from a trip from California. Had an interesting work hours there, so back in the swing of things here. That was good. Had a good call with my client. Takeaway from that, or it wasn't a client, but the person we're publishing. Takeaway from that was like doing even more research on the market, especially the newer one that I'm not so used to. Like, I know I used to think market research was like dumb. I didn't really get the importance of it until like a couple of years ago. But even now I'm more so reminded, like, understanding your audience to a deep level is huge. And what's nice about this publishing partner is he knows the market so well. And so I just took the time to hop on a call with him and like essentially have him coach me on his knowledge of his market, so my copy for the offer would be 10 times better. And so the new funnel we're building out just flows great. So I'm really excited about that. Other takeaway, cool thing was had a call with my homie Chief Neef, Daniel Neef. Shout out Neef, probably watching this. He's a fanboy of me, but we had a good call with him. He was sharing a win, how he closed his first ever for this offer he's done. High ticket client on the back end of one of his offers. That was a low ticket to high ticket. And that just fires me up because this shows and reminds me, like, dude, this is still so possible for anyone to do this. I'm doing it for my clients left and right. I'm doing it for my own offers and it's working, but then you see someone else do it and it just gives you that belief again. And so that was super cool to hear and for him to share. He also shared some stuff from an event he went to, which was awesome. And another takeaway I got from that is I need to keep learning stuff and learn from multiple people, not just one person, just because you can miss out on a lot of cool information. So that was that takeaway. I also did some call reviews for one of the offers, and takeaway I gave my closer was, in this market that we're selling in, they're very hopeless. And so I was like, dude, you need to give them optimism in the sales process. Like, they're looking for someone to tell them, like to validate their problems, validate their issues, and be like, dude, like, it's not your fault. Like, there's a way out. There's hope. We found it. It's here. It's, in our program, whatever. And so I was like, we need to give them optimism throughout the sales process. Like, let them experience and feel that, but then we need to give them optimism. So that was the takeaway I gave him. But yeah, so that's it. That's the share for today. Hopefully you guys like this. I don't know if I can upload this all on Facebook. Maybe I'll put it on YouTube. But those were my takeaways for today. Little post day in the life of what it looks like to be a publishing company, and more to come soon. So let me know if you have any questions. Appreciate y'all. Look at these fall colors. Come on. How do you not want to live in Minnesota? It's beautiful. Peace.